Alright, so up to this point we've had the DCF Horror Contest, the DCF Christmas Contest, the DCF Floral Contest, and the DCF Video Game Contest. And now, we're incredibly excited to announce the next one, the DCF Heritage Contest. What's going on, guys? Dillon Jason here, and I am so excited to finally share this contest announcement with all of you guys. This is our first one of 2021, and the theme behind this really truly excites me. Just recently, for the very first time, I was lucky enough to have my artwork featured in a gallery in Paris with over 400 different artists from all around the world, all working on one individual sneaker. And all of us were allowed to do absolutely any theme we wanted, and when brainstorming my initial concept, I knew I wanted to do something to pay honor to my Hispanic heritage. There's just something that's always been so beautiful to me about these incredibly bright, vivid colors that you typically see in traditional Mexican artwork. I'll have an entire video dedicated to creating this pair for the gallery coming real soon. I think as artists, we're constantly looking for new forms of inspiration, and by studying not only your culture and heritage, but others, you can really start to have a new appreciation for all the beautiful forms of artwork that exist in our world. And once you really start diving in, I think that there's going to be no way you can't help but feel inspired to get started. Search around a bit, you know? So for the winner of this contest, we're going to be giving away a $500 grand prize. This is going to include a $350 gift card to angelusdirect.com and a $150 gift card to our website, DeJesusInc.com, where you'll be able to select from any of our stencils or our merch. Now, in order to enter, you're going to want to grab a brand new pair of shoes. It can be absolutely any base shoe, and then you're going to go ahead and try to come up with the best possible heritage theme that you can think of. It also doesn't have to be your own heritage. You can absolutely feel free to use others. All entries are going to be due Friday, November 19th, so that gives you just over 7 weeks in order to enter. To enter your submission, there's 2 forms of entry required. First off, you're going to post them to your Instagram using the hashtag DCFHERITAGECONTEST. If you don't already, also please make sure that you have your profile set to public. And then you're also going to email your submission to contact@DeJesusInc.com. Once we have all of those entries, the team here at DCF is then going to narrow it down to a final 4. Those 4 pairs will then be physically sent in to us and will then be featured on an upcoming episode of Reviewing Your Customs. That episode will then showcase a detailed breakdown of all 4 pairs, and the winner of our grand prize will then be voted on by the public. I'll make sure we have a little something for each of our runner-ups also. Unlike any of our previous contests, we are going to limit this to 1 entry per person. So we have a $500 grand prize at stake, a chance to be featured on Reviewing Your Customs here on our YouTube channel, and bragging rights at potentially becoming the winner of the DCF Heritage Contest. I really want to say thank you guys so much for your continued participation in these contests. The turnout is always absolutely amazing, and seeing what you guys cook up is truly mind-blowing to me. That's just about everything we have for you guys today. I want to wish good luck to everybody who plans on participating in this contest. If you could do me a favor, please go ahead and give this video a like if you haven't already. Make sure you're subscribed, and everybody get out there and just create. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching this video. As a lot of you probably already know, these Japanese tattoo Jordan 5s are one of my all-time favorite pairs, and this definitely comes from me being inspired by other cultures' artwork. I've always had an admiration for traditional Japanese tattooing, and there is so much else out there, guys. So definitely search around, and good luck, everybody.